I don't always have the time to prepare a full breakfast in the morning, and my version of a full breakfast is some kind of porridge or oats or some kind of thing. So when I'm on the go and I want something quick, but still have, nutritional value to give me the gas I need to go through the day, I like to prepare a quick smoothie. So today we're doing a nice little breakfast smoothie, something quick, simple, and it's not using any set of elaborate ingredients, things that you might have or things that you could get, I would say, relatively easy. Now this is a Lacatan banana, and you would realize that I have two different types of bananas. I have Lacatan here, and then I have here some silk. Now the Lacatan, real sweet, and it's got plenty sugar in it. The silk, not as sweet as the Lacatan, so I like to switch it up sometimes instead of using two whole Lacatan, which could tend to be on the sweeter side, and I'm really not trying to consume too much sugar. Use one Lacatan and two silk, and that is a nice combo. So people use condensed milk and that kind of thing. That's way too much sugar for me. I find just using banana alone is enough sweetness in a smoothie or a punch. So no need for all that sugar. Cut down on your sugar. Trust me, your body will thank you. I like to use oats. So there's a good way for me to get oats into my breakfast without having to cook them. So I'll bay leaf powder in there. And I did show you how to make this in a previous video, so I'll post a link in the video description to show you how to make bay leaf powder. Add that in there. A bit of flaxseed for strength. Don't know. And the milk of choice, is almond milk. Now, to add protein, extra protein to this, if you're using cow's milk and that kind of thing, you can add like peanut butter, and the protein from the nuts is what will add that nutritional benefit to the smoothie. But because I'm using almond milk, I don't have to use no peanut butter, and again, no extra sugar in the smoothie because, as again, I'm not trying to do too much sugar. So almond milk, the unsweetened one, not the one with flavors in it and that kind of thing, the just regular unsweetened almond milk, that is what I'm using to add to my smoothie. So going in there. And of course, because there's a quick breakfast on the go, and I don't have time to add in, a whole set of different types of spices like, nutmeg and cinnamon and that kind of thing. The perfect thing to give this some flavor or some added flavor, a couple dashes of Angostura Aromatic Bitters. Yeah, that will give you great flavor in your smoothie. One extra thing that is a necessity for me in terms of just bringing out all the flavors in the smoothie is a pinch of salt. The addition of salt really accentuates all the flavors in the smoothie, so I would urge you to just try a pinch of salt when you're making a smoothie or your punch. Trust me, you'll get way more flavor than trying to add a set of sugar to make it taste good. Salt, a little bit, not too much as a pinch. A little bit does go a long way. Try it now, thank me later. And of course, a little bit of ice up in there. So you're just gonna pop this on. And that's it. As simple as that. We have a real delicious and nutritious breakfast smoothie. Something that you could have quick and simple in the morning, not too sweet. You get the sweetness, of course, and the creaminess from the banana, the Angostura Aromatic Bitters. You get the spices, cinnamon, nutmeg, and that kind of thing. You get those spices up in there. The flaxseed for strength, of course. And then the oats giving it body. Yeah, you can't go wrong with a breakfast like this or a smoothie like this. So let me know down in the comments, what's your favorite way to prepare punch? What little tips and tricks you have to pack nutrients into your punch or your smoothie? Let me know down in the comments. And if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up, give it a share. If you're not subscribed to the channel, please take a moment to do so. And of course, thank you to Angostura for sponsoring this video. As always, thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.